Game over.
You must have seen lot of YouTubers these days trying out this tortilla chip. But do you know how it was invented? We shall find out in this video. Before starting off, please like, share and subscribe this channel to get the latest updates guys. So let's get started. The idea of creating a limited edition Carolina Reaper Madness chip by Packway, which now has been enraged these days. Considered by many as the world's spiciest tortilla chip, each is seasoned with real Carolina Reaper, which is also known as the Guinness World Record holder for the hottest chili, and dusted with ghost pepper flavoring for an extra kick. The story of this scorching product began in 2013 when Doug Leon, the founder of Packway, attended an event hosted by Pucker Butt Pepper Company in South Carolina. There he met Ed Curry, who was the president of the famous pepper company and inventor of Carolina Reaper, and tried the pepper that rates over 1.5 million Scoville units. As per what the story has been available to the public, Doug Leon wet his fingers in the powdered peppers who got frozen for a moment and decided that it would make the perfect ingredient for what would eventually become the world's spiciest chip. 2 years later, the duo were finally ready to make the chip and began the production process on January 2015. To make sure the Carolina Reaper peppers were production ready, Curry and his team cleaned the peppers 3 times, removed the stems and everything green, and ensured no blemishes were found anywhere to ensure its spiciness remained intact. It took both companies over 6 months to develop the final seasoning and packaging of the Carolina Reaper Madness. But aside from matching the chip's production schedule with the timing of the pepper harvest, the collaboration process was fairly smooth. In total, Curry's team sent over approximately 850,000 peppers to Packway, which were grounded into powder to season 50,000 Carolina Reaper Madness chips. The brand used those peppers to create different versions of the seasoning, and not all of the seasoning was used on every chip. So while Packway did not reveal exactly how many peppers were added onto each chip, rest assured there's going to be enough heat to make you cry. This probably explains why the team at Packway brought out gas masks when handling the peppers. But what makes it to be very spicy to eat? Well, capsaicin compound creates a burning sensation by exciting the body's TRPV1 receptors, sensors that are ordinarily responsible for sensing actual heat. But TRPV1 receptors aren't just located in our mouths. They are located in our intestines too. When they are excited by capsaicin, they can speed up the rate at which food moves through our bowels. There are TRPV1 receptors in the anus too, which means eating a heavy dose of capsaicin can, for some people, cause a burning sensation on both ends of the equation. Clearly not for the faint of heart. Each Carolina Reaper Madness is sold individually in a coffin-shaped box, and in India it is available on the e-commerce websites like Amazon worth Rs 199. It is designed with signs like a Grim Reaper is carrying a scythe and words such as the Reaper is waiting. Any last words? Make sure that you have your antidotes ready. The heat really starts to kick in after 30 seconds and it will likely linger for a while. But rather than eating the chip with a milk or ice cream, what you actually need is citric acid. Carbohydrates can coat your tongue and delay the burn, but they don't actually put out the fire. And the best source for that would be grapefruits, lemons and lime. If all else fails, you get a prize for your suffering. The Gourmet Tortilla and Tortilla Chip Maker invites everyone to post their reaction on social media after trying the Carolina Reaper Madness using hashtags #OneChipChallenge and #sweeps and tagging @PackyTortillas to get a free bag of Packy chips and a chance to win one of 3 grand prizes. Thanks for watching guys. See you again.